how to add Google Tag Manager code in WordPress. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a popular open source content management system used for creating and managing websites and blogs. But to start adding a Google Tag Manager code in WordPress, the first thing that you need to do is simply search this tagmanager.google.com. Then you'll be able to be directed to this page. And from here, all you need to do is simply sign in your Google account. And to start creating here an account, just simply click the create button on the top right corner in here. And after that, from here, to add a new account, all you need to do is simply enter here your account name and even choose your country and simply enter the container name, which is your WordPress website domain in here. But make sure to also check these boxes indicate that you want to share data anonymously with Google and others. So now from here, the container setup, all we need to do is simply go to our WordPress and simply click this view site in order to see or copy of our website URL in here and simply paste it directly on this page. But make sure to follow the requirements in here in pasting or entering the container setup. And below, just simply choose the target platform, which is web, and click the create button to proceed. And upon doing so, it will show you on the right side panel some of the terms and conditions that you also need to read before proceeding to check these boxes below that says I also accept the data processing terms as required by GDPR. So make sure to also understand all of this and click the check boxes below here and click the yes button on the top right to proceed. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to load until it will show you this pop-up window with including a code in here. It will show you to install Google Tag Manager. Make sure to copy the code below and paste onto every page of your website. And to do that, make sure to also go back to this WordPress account. And on the dashboard, we need to install a plugin, so just click the plugins button on the left side panel and click add new plugin. By clicking on it, just simply go to the search bar, and for the plugin, just simply search WP code, in which this is the name of the plugins that we need to add a code of Google Tag Manager. And below it will show you some of the result, so kindly click this one with more than 2 million installation and click the install button to proceed. And after installing it, you need to also activate it by clicking the activate button after proceeding the installation. And after clicking the activate button in here, you'll now be able to start using these plugins or WP code and start connecting the Google Tag Manager in our WordPress account. So to proceed, all you need to do is simply go on the left side panel and click the code snippets button in here and proceed by clicking this header and footer. By clicking on it, it will show you this blank page under this header, in which all you need to do is simply go back to this page of Google Tag Manager and simply copy this header section code and paste it directly in here. And after that, just simply scroll down until you find the footer section where we need to simply paste this immediately code, which is the body. By clicking this one or copying it instead of the body, I'm going to paste it in here on the footer. And after that, just simply click the Save Changes button on the top right corner to proceed. And by doing so, you'll automatically be able to see here that the settings has now been saved. And in order to successfully verify it, simply go back to this page and simply paste here our website to test whether they're already now connecting the Google Tag Manager to our WordPress account or website in here. So simply paste here the website URL and click test. And after that, it will show you the result after it. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and it will show you that the test has now been successful, which means we have now successfully connected the Google Tag Manager to our WordPress, and it allows website owners to easily manage and deploy marketing and analytics tags, such as those for Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or custom tracking scripts. And the purpose of using this Google Tag Manager is to streamline the process of adding and updating tracking codes. And overall, that is just basically how to add Google Tag Manager code in WordPress.